So what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this short video I'm going to show you how you can check if your iPhone hacked and how you can fix that. So let's start video without wasting any time, and firstly we move to the first step. The first step is how to check. There are some simple method to check that your iPhone hacked or not. Open iPhone settings. Okay, in settings section you need to tap on Apple ID. Okay, after tapping the Apple ID you need to scroll down and check if any other device using your iPhone and you don't know that device. Just remove that device from here, and now you can see a person screen. Here are showing sign in and security. Tap on that and change your Apple ID password from here. Okay, after change your Apple ID password you can easily fix that. Okay, now move to the next step. The next step is open iPhone settings again. Now you need to scroll down and find here Safari browser. Okay, you can see and find here Safari browser. Okay, you can see a person screen Safari browser. Tap on that. Okay, make sure that all option is turned on in your Safari browser, especially the private browser. Okay, you can see again, scroll down and find here a option clear history and website. Just tap on that and clear all history from your iPhone Safari browser. Okay, now move to the next solution. The next solution is open iPhone settings again. Tap on general, scroll down, and you can see VPN and device management option. Tap on that. Okay, make sure you are not connected with any VPN on your iPhone. If you have any VPN in your iPhone and your iPhone is also connected with it, just remove immediately that VPN from your iPhone. Okay, now move to the next step. The next step is open iPhone settings again. Okay, scroll down and tap on privacy and security. Okay, you can see a person screen location services. Turn off location services. Okay, now go back and tap on tracking. Okay, make sure all apps are tracking. Turn off if you allow any app to track. Just check that app. Okay, now move to the last solution. The last solution is force to restart your iPhone. Press volume up button, then press volume down button and press the power button until you see the Apple logo appears on your iPhone screen and your iPhone is forced to restart. So friends, by do that simple step and apply it on your iPhone, you can easily check that your iPhone hacked and you can easily fix that. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.